did it. Woo! We did it, man. 25,000 subs. We got there. Thank you guys for all your support, watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, all the shares. You helped us get there, 25,000. And like I promised, I got a free one-on-one we're giving away today, but you gotta stay tuned to the end of the video. Thank you guys. 25,000, let's get it. What's going on, everybody? It's Joe Giunta with Team Take Profits. I'm here to help you trade and get paid. Guys, in today's video, I'm gonna take you inside my trading process on the charts and show you what I saw, what I was thinking, where I got in, where I got out, all that kind of stuff on a trade where we won over $4,500 on one trade last week. So I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you exactly what we did. And also, I'm gonna do the giveaway for helping me get to 25,000 subs. Thank you guys so much. We did it, and we're getting ready to give away a free one-on-one. So thank you guys for that. That's my appreciation to you. So let's look at the chart. So in showing you this trade, everything I do, I always start from top-down analysis. And so I'm just kind of taking you back to a clean chart, looking at the weekly GBP AUD chart, and knowing that, especially if you've seen some of my previous videos, you know that we have been in a channel on this chart for over 3 years, and we've been inside of it, ever since. We've had a couple of little moves where it poked in and out, but nothing of any real significance, and until this recent move up here, okay? And that's where we're going to zoom in a little bit and kind of take a look at what really went on there. So this right here is where all the abnormality started in the market on the weekly chart. So when you look at this, you understand that, this is when Australia had fires going on. This is when coronavirus first kind of started becoming a thing. There was a lot going on. The GBP elections were going on. And so you had a lot happening with this pair. So you had this weird spike down, and then it came right back up. And then you had this weird spike up and this weird spike up. You got literally 500-600 pip spikes, and, just crazy. And so when we look at what's really going on here, this was the start of coronavirus. And with all of that was going on, we needed a push back to normality. And this is when we got it here at this red candle. When we see this red engulfing candle, we seen, I told the team a while back, we need a bearish engulfing candle that's going to push us back to our level of normality, which is right here. So we knew that we had that right there. And so, of course, we get this red engulfing candle. It closes below that level, and we know we're back to normal. We got to retest it, and it does right there for that week, and then we start to drop. What's interesting about that is you also see this. You also see that trend line there that, that's the most recent trend within this channel, and you see that break happen right at the same time. So that is an indicator to us that this is going to start a bearish run. And of course, that's what at this point, it did that for 2 weeks in a row. And for a swing trade, we ended up getting in right at this break, at the trend line break. And, we made a lot of money. We still are actually still in a swing trade, on the long term, something that we're planning on holding until we get down to the bottom of this channel. Now, with that being said, we were looking for some shorter term, some in and out positions that we could get on the 1 hour and even the 30-minute chart. And so that's what I'm going to show you. So from there, what do? We go down to the 4-hour chart. So top-down analysis tells us that we do everything from that level. So the first thing we do is we zoom out so we can see the big picture on the 4-hour chart. So this is that big move that came back in, and then it retested off of the bottom of the trend line, and that's the move we've been in ever since. So now, with that being said, let's look for a shorter term entry. So we take a look at the big picture, and here's what you can do. This is a pretty awesome technique, similar to a Fibonacci fan, but I feel like it's a little bit more accurate, is to go from your original point of reversal, which is right here, and you come down to your low point, or your lower highs, okay? And so you can run that boom straight on through, And at this point, we knew that it was going to ride all the way down. We catch this break and we form a new lower high. So then we come back to our original point, and what do? We drop a trend line on it again. And so we know that essentially what we're going to have is this is going to ride down again until this breaks. So until this breaks the trend line, we're not really looking for anything bullish. Okay? So now we know that we're pulling back into our trend line, so we should be preparing at some point for another drop off. Okay? Now, mind you, it doesn't always just exactly touch the trend line. Sometimes it may come up pretty close. Sometimes it may push a little bit past it, but we just know that it's trying to pull back into this area of retracement. Okay, so once we see that complete, we can get in for another short position. All right. So now what do? We go down to the 30-minute chart, and we see where we are. So we look at the bigger picture on the 30-minute chart, and we can kind of see, everything that we thought was happening. Look, just, everything's perfect. Everything's looking good. And now we pulled back into that level of retracement, and now we're looking for the next push down. Okay, so we spread that out a little bit so we can see it a little closer. All right, guys, so let's take a quick little break here, and let's get to the giveaway. All right, so we got to 25,000. I appreciate you guys so much. We got all the way up to, actually, we're over 25,000 now, so next stop, 30,000. But I promised you guys, if you help me get to 25,000, that I was going to do a giveaway. And I was going to give somebody a free one-on-one lesson. All right. What that means is you're going to get 1 hour, a 1 hour. You get my undivided attention. We're going to be on Zoom together, and I'm going to talk about whatever Forex topic you want to talk about. It's strategy, risk management, whatever questions you have. We can look at charts together, whatever that looks like. So we're going to have an awesome one-on-one with somebody, and that's going to be free. Just as me saying thank you for helping me get to 25,000 subs. So how we're going to do that is this. I want you, number one, you have to like the video. You have to be a subscriber. In order to qualify, you have to like the video and you have to be a subscriber. So if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And this way, you qualify, and plus you're going to get a lot of valuable content that would drop all, on the channel all the time. So thank you for doing that, liking and being a subscriber. And then how we're going to choose the winner here is, what I want you to do is I want you to comment on this video and tell me, what is it that you want to see me talk about? Okay, is there certain topics that you want to see me cover? Do you want strategy? Do you want me to do risk management videos? Are you loving the Make Moves Monday videos? I want you to just tell me in the comment section below this video. I want to know what it is you want to see me cover on this channel that's going to help you to become a more profitable trader. You know that this channel has always been about helping and giving back and making sure that people have a skill set. And so I want to do that. What is it that you're struggling with? What topic can I cover that's going to help you to be a more profitable trader? Go ahead and comment that. Next week on Make Moves Monday, I'm going to actually select the winner live again on Make Moves Monday. We're going to select the winner, and we'll schedule that one-on-one. So, got to like the video, got to be a subscriber, comment below with what I just talked about, and next week on Make Moves Monday, we're going to select the winner. All right? Good luck. We notice here, this is the previous level of support and resistance right here. So what I like to do is use a parallel channel. And so what I do is I would come from the low here, and I would draw my line out, make sure it's nice, and then bring that up to your, kind of level of, so we don't just do lines, we want zones. So we know that once it kind of gets into that zone, that's kind of what we're looking for. We're looking for it to break that zone in the market. So now since we know that's happening, we know that we're not looking for anything long unless it breaks this trend line. Essentially what we've done is we've narrowed, using basically a process of elimination, we've kind of narrowed down all of what you see on the whole chart. We've narrowed down into a very small area that we need to look at. And so now let me kind of show you that area. And so essentially all we're really looking for now is for price to break through this channel And once we have that move, we're ready to get in. So let me show you this in replay mode. You see we pushed in, okay, and we pulled back out. Again, showing you that this is a nice strong area. All right, so you see we have this area where it was pushing in, pushing in, pushing in, and it kept getting resisted, or in other words, it kept hitting that level of support and was not able to break it. And so finally we had a candle that closed inside of our zone. And then so all we have to do at this point is wait. So now we have the close. That's what we consider a breakout. All of this, when it came inside and pushed back out, that's not a breakout. This, when it closes inside the zone, that's when we know the zone is now broken. And now we just wait for the retest and the push down. So we got this pullback here. So now all we're really waiting on at this point is just, a confirmation in the opposite direction. So we're looking for something that's going to get to that low at the bottom of this, at the very start of this pullback. And notice how it's right in the middle of our channel. And so at the next candle, we get exactly that. There's your breakout candle, right? When you get the pullback, we're still inside of the zone. We get the pullback, and now we get the engulfing candle. So this engulfing candle right here, what that means is that we got the breakout here. We have the retracement, and then the next red candle consumes or is bigger than the two previous candles, therefore showing us we have an official retest and breakout. At the next candle, we find entry. So this candle closes, so boom, we enter the market. Now we entered the market right here at this level. It pushes down, and then it pulls way back up. And now, you're going, did I enter wrong? Did I mess up? We're a little bit in drawdown now, but I'm still confident that my analysis was okay. So I'm all right with it. It took a little bit of a push to get in. Now it's taking a little bit of a push to get out. So no big deal. The next candle pushes even further down. And then there we go. So our entry was really nice. We got in at the middle area of the zone. We pushed up a little bit. We had a little bit of drawdown, but then it just dropped on us, and it really gave us a beautiful, beautiful trade here. And so let me kind of show you what ended up happening. So, we got this move right here, and now we're just essentially taking it from one pullback to the next. That's all we're doing. This is a quick scalp in and out, and a couple hours we're in the trade, and that's that, right? So we end up getting in, we push it down, and at this point I'm looking, and if I look left, I'm close to a minor level of support, which is probably going to show me some pullback. Okay, so when I get to that level of support, when I look left, I'm already thinking, okay, because this is a short-term quick trade, I'm looking for a quick scalp here, just to get 30, 40 pips out of the market. I'm happy, and that's it. So I get my nice push. At this point, you can see that I ate about maybe, I don't know, 10 pips in drawdown, and right now I'm currently 30 pips in profit, 31 pips in profit. So I'm already pretty happy at this point that I've got 30 pips of profit, and I'm already looking for an exit on the scalp. So I get that, and this is where I got out of the trade. And so the new candle opened and started pushing way down. And so I was like, all right, this is beautiful. So it pushes down, and at that point, I was already, just looking where I was at, I was already 52 pips in profit, and I was a happy camper. So at that point, I'm ready to exit, and it starts to pull back on me, and you could kind of see where the wick started pushing up, and it ended up going way up before it ended up coming back down. But right in this area right here is where I exited the trade, because I saw it pulling back, and I said, all right, I'm done. I'm out, And so, right in that area right there, I pulled out of the trade. I closed the trade, and just like that, in and out, boom, done. All right. And so with that being said, I ended up catching about 49 pips in profit after the spread and everything else. I ended up with about almost 4,600 in profit, and it was a beautiful trade, real nice, just very easy, very all price action, and it was all due to the fact that I did my top down analysis. I knew what it was coming on the weekly, I knew what was happening on the 4-hour. And I came down to the 30-minute and just sniped a quick 40 pips, 40 something pips out of the market. And just like that, That didn't mean I closed my swing position. I was still in my swing position. I was still in my long-term position, but I just used this as another quick hitter to, you know, catch a little profit on the market. So that's how you can do it. Price action trading. That's what we did, and we ended up catching some really nice movement out of the market. All right, guys, there you have it. I hope this video helped you. Understanding and kind of getting to see the inside of what I do as a trader, kind of, you know, getting to see what it looks like for me. What is my process to kind of, you know, break down a trade, and then how to find that execution and ride it all the way through. So I hope this was helpful. The team is making a lot of money. We're doing a lot of great things together, and just wanted to be able to have you guys kind of see on the inside and see what it is we do. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. And if you're ready to become a member of Trend Trading Academy, you already know Team Take Profits and Trading Get Paid made the merger. We're Trend Trading Academy now, and we're doing big things. The students are winning. You can check all the comments below. You can check online. I'm telling you, you're going to see all great reviews because people are making money, okay? So if you want to do that, you can still go to tradinggetpaid.com, or you can go to trendtrading.academy. Either website is going to give you access to the team. So go ahead and get signed up if you're looking to take your trading to the next level. And a lot of people have been asking me about the Vortex indicator. It's a free indicator on TradingView. It's built in. I'm not asking you to pay me for anything. And if you want to learn more about that indicator and how powerful it's an oscillator and how powerful it is, I want you to watch this video right here, because that's going to take you the rest of the way. All right. So remember, guys, invest in yourself before you invest in the market. I'll see you on the next video.